Degree LED tube pyramid construction. Before assembling the shape, assemble the 26-hole ball and connecting rod first. Find the current face on the 26-hole ball and assemble the connecting rod in these 3 holes. Find the same face as before and connect the connecting rod on the assembly on the opposite face. Assemble the bottom layer once the materials are ready. Pull the lock of the degree LED tube and insert the connecting rod. Connect the 2-degree LED tube input and output outlets and insert the connecting rod, according to the order of the wiring, and so on. Connect the controller to the degree LED tube. Connect the lamp in the software and adjust the effect.